Hey guys, are you looking for new tech gadgets and inventions of the next generation? We have come up with some of the newest, most fabulous inventions of the next generation. Stay with us to the end. Welcome to EverShow. Let's get started. The SmartDrive is a portable yet powerful wheelchair power assist that easily moves you up steep hills and ramps. 75% of wheelchair users suffer from shoulder pain due to pushing in their wheelchairs. Thanks to the SmartDrive, you can conserve your pushing energy and reduce the stress you may experience on your arms and shoulders. There are 3 ways to operate the SmartDrive: with the Apple Watch, the speed controller dial and the switch controller. It's intuitive to use and will go for miles on a single charge. Meet Spacetop, the world's first augmented reality laptop. Spacetop is a compact computer stripped down to just a keyboard, trackpad, and a pair of HD augmented reality glasses. The AR glasses are tethered to the laptop by a relatively short, pliable cable that carries both power and data from the base. There's a camera for video conferencing, touchpad, and all the typical ports. The glasses are augmented reality, not virtual reality, so you can see through their transparent glass and screens even when the power is off. EcoFlow BLADE is the new standard in lawn care. With its cutting-edge technology, BLADE offers an effortless mowing experience that takes care of your lawn with precision and efficiency. The virtual mowing boundary feature allows you to define the exact area you want to mow, giving you complete control over the process. BLADE's intelligent navigation system ensures that every inch of your lawn is mowed thoroughly, while its advanced sensors detect and avoid obstacles effortlessly. With real-time kinematic, RTK, positioning tech, BLADE reroutes within an inch of the original plan, so it never gets stuck or misses a cut. Attach the lawn sweeping kit to the auto mower to remove unwanted debris, such as leaves, sticks, and waste, from your yard. You'll have the best looking lawn in the neighborhood without any effort. Say goodbye to the noise and emissions of traditional mowers and enjoy the quiet and eco-friendly operation of BLADE. Jetman Dubai is a pioneering company that has developed innovative personal flight systems. Their flagship product is the Jetman Wing, which enables individuals to fly like human jets. The Jetman Wing consists of a carbon fiber wing with fixed wingspan and 4 jet engines mounted on it. The pilot wears the wing, which is controlled by their body movements and weight shifting. The jet engines provide thrust and propulsion, allowing the pilot to achieve controlled flight and maneuverability. With the Jetman Wing, individuals can soar through the sky, reaching speeds of up to 200 km per hour and altitudes of several thousand feet. The pilot has the ability to perform various aerial maneuvers, including rolls, loops, and turns, providing an exhilarating and unique flying experience. The world's first wireless smart sprinkler and yard care assistant. EverShow brings the smart home outdoors, helping everyone get the perfect lawn through AI and incredible technology. EverShow learns the size and shape of your lawn, and then creates the right schedule factoring in local weather and what you're looking to water. Monitors weather conditions in real time to pick the optimum time to water your lawn. No more watering on a rainy or windy day, saving money on your water bill. EverShow automatically applies nutrition and treatments according to the best schedule for your lawn or garden. Operate your EverShow from your smartphone and self-install the device on a fence or side of house using the provided mounting bracket, or place it on the ground. Odo knows when and how much to spray, so you'll easily have a beautiful and healthy yard. All solutions are child, pet and environmentally friendly. Dior 3D printed shoes are innovative footwear creations that combine traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. Dior, a renowned fashion brand, has embraced the use of 3D printing to push the boundaries of shoe design and manufacturing. These shoes are crafted using advanced 3D printing techniques, which allow for intricate and complex designs that would be challenging to achieve through traditional methods. The 3D printing process involves layering materials such as nylon or resin to create the desired shape and structure of the shoe. Dior's 3D printed shoes often feature unique and artistic designs, showcasing the brand's commitment to creativity and avant-garde fashion. The technology enables the production of intricate details, textures, and patterns, resulting in visually striking footwear that stands out.